Hello friends, I'm Rebekah. Welcome. This is Body Illumination. It's my channel. Lots of the classes that we're going to go through, all you need is a mat. I do have some props, and I wanted to mention if you have some props available, then grab those when we do our practices together. If you don't, that's really no big deal. But I do like to use the props because they help us to access the body a little bit differently. When you move a prop a little bit here or there, you can see where you might be storing tension or some type of micro trauma in the body a little bit more in one area than another area compared to day, depending upon what emotional turmoil or lack thereof is going on in your life. So play with your props, your blankets, and your pillows, and some days you're just not going to have those available. That's no big deal. One thing you should try to do is have a space and be creative. I surprise myself at the places that I find to practice. Find a space that has good lighting, that you feel cozy about, is inviting. I remember my husband and I went to look at condos and houses way back when we were in New York City area, and a bunch of places we went to had these like little areas, like they were like sanctuaries and kind of like had a temple. And I was like, oh, this is really cool. We didn't have that luxury with the space, but it was something that I always was like, this is a really good idea. And it is nice to have a space. It could be just meaning that you're going to push your couch or your table aside and make a nice little space, but make it accessible and make it something that you can do quickly so that you can do the videos and not feel like, oh, I'm going to go use my, whatever, but it's covered in clothes and I've been using it as a clothes rack, and it has all of the decorations from Halloween on it. So you want to make sure your space is available and accessible. That is one key thing that you need to think about. And the other thing is a great attitude and knowing together this community is supporting you. We are here together to make our lives beautiful. That's what we want to do. That is our goal. The intersection of mind, body, and spirit to make our lives better. I also have a virtual component. So if you're interested in joining, then you can do that. So check that out as well. I do very, very, very much value you here. I'm thrilled that you're here. Look forward to seeing you soon on the mat. Namaste. Check out my weekly calendar if you haven't already. I'll put those links below. I'd love to see you on the mat again very soon. Namaste.